Hello guys, today we work with the book, page number 142 and 143. But first, the first activity is this one here. Look and listen, put the pictures in order. So let's listen to the audio, that way we can put those pictures in order. Let's pay attention, okay? Look at the pictures and listen to the audio.
Track 82. Gordon and the Wizard. Gordon is in the park. He meets a new friend. Hello, what's your name? Asks Gordon. Gabby, says the girl. Let's play, says Gordon. Gabby looks at
the kids. They are at the park. Gordon es el niño, is the boy. Gabby is the girl. And Gordon says, let's go play. Vamos a jugar. ¿En cuál fotografía estará eso? ¿Cuál? Okay, let's go with the
Gordon's
next one.
wheelchair. But what are we going to do? Asks Gordon.
The boy asks, what are we going to do? ¿Qué vamos a hacer?
I'm going to skate, says Gabby.
I'm going to skate. Vamos a patinar o voy a patinar, dice Gabby.
Great, let's go, says Gordon. Gabby skates around and around. She goes very fast, but Gordon goes faster. Whee!
Gordon and Gabby as skating are skating around and around, but Gordon is faster. What number is that?
Hey, you go fast in your wheelchair, says Gabby.
Gabby le dice, you go fast on your wheelchair, que va muy rápido en su silla de rueda.
I know, says Gordon. I call it the Wizard. Come on, let's race to the river.
Okay, and at the end, they go, let's race to the river. Vamos a correr hacia el río. ¿Cuál será? ¿Cuál será esa fotografía? Okay, so label it. Vamos a numerarlas y después vamos a trabajar con esta página, page number 143, and we have this letter, the letter G. Let's trace the letter G like this, and we have to complete the words that begins with this letter. Hay que completarlas, miren, aquí nos falta la G. Vamos a hacerla. Okay, and we need to trace the whole word. Garden. Ahí voy, muy bien. Así vamos a hacer todas estas palabritas y las vamos a pronunciar. First one, garden. Next, guitar. Next, gorilla. And girl. Muy bien. Bueno, para terminar nuestra página hay que completar todas las palabritas. Trace them, trácenlas, and complete them, complétenlas con esta letra, the letter G, ok. Well, eso fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de hoy. Trabajamos con esas dos páginas. So, I see you tomorrow. I see you Wednesday. See you later. Have a great day. Bye.